Okay, so my name is Mitch and I'm doing this quick water test with a zero water filter, some tap water, some Kangen water, pure water, and then mountain spring water, just to see what the parts per million in with this tester that I received from my zero water filter. So this is the zero water filter, and this is the tester that tests the parts per million. So I do live in South Scottsdale, which has very poor water, so I'm going to turn this on. We're going to test tap water first to see what this comes in at. If you'll notice, actually I'm going to turn it this way, 675, so 675 parts per million. So I'm now going to dry that off. This is the Kangen water that I received. I'm going to open it up, and this is supposedly 9.5 pH. Obviously this tester does not test pH, but it will test if there's any gunk in the water. So I'm going to put this in there, and we'll see what we get here. This one is coming in at 621, which is not a whole lot better. And that is the Kangen water that I received. I just opened it. We're also going to test just the regular old pure water filter that you get from the grocery store. Let's check that. Let's see what we get here. Putting that in right now. And that actually is a little bit better. It brings it down to 497, 502. So we'll call it 502. And the last one that we're going to check, I'm going to set this down right here. And this is just Arrowhead spring water. Pour a little bit in this cup. And let's take a look and see what we get with this. And this one is coming in at 1.05, so or 105, I'm sorry. 105. So by far the lowest parts per million, and this is basically solids in the water. This is aluminum, mercury, iron, chlorine, fluoride, lead, all these solids that exist in different water supplies. So I think on the tap water we were 600 plus. The Kangen water, same thing, 620, 650, 620. This brought it down to just under 500 with the pure water filter. And the mountain spring water, not in glass, in plastic of course, but that was only 100. So there is my little test for Kangen.